This is the variation in its amount. So one part is receiving 400 centimeter and another part of the country is receiving less than 10 centimeter. Now, most parts of the country receive rainfall from June to September, but some parts like the Tamil Nadu coast gets a large portion of its rain during October and November. Yes, maximum part of the country receives either during the rainy season, that in between June to August or September. But Tamil Nadu coast or the Coromandel coast receives heavy rainfall during rainy season, winter season, and this rain is received by the retreating monsoon. Retreating monsoon means when the monsoon winds are going back. Okay, so this is known as retreating monsoon, and this Tamil Nadu coast or Coromandel coast receives heavy rainfall during these months of the year. Recently, beta, you must have heard about the heavy rainfall in Tamil Nadu. There was uh, chances of one storm, that was Nivar. I think you must have read about this. So this is the October, November. This is the retreating monsoon period, and this is the time when the Tamil Nadu coast or the Coromandel coast receives heavy rainfall. Now, in general, coastal areas experience less contrast in temperature conditions. Again, this is the related to temperature. Coastal areas which are located along the coastlines. So, such coastal areas experiences less contrast in temperature conditions. How? Seasonal contrasts are more in the interior of the country. In simple words, if I'll say that coastal areas is having the same type of climate throughout the year, that is hot and humid. There is no fluctuation in climate. A big fluctuation is observed in the climate or atmospheric conditions experienced in coastal regions of the country. On the other hand, seasonal contrast are extreme. This is extremely noticed in the interior part of the country. Interior part of the country means the cities or the areas which are located away from the sea or the coast, like Delhi, like UP, like MP, like Punjab, like Haryana. So these are the interior part of the country, and here we experience the extreme seasonal variations in temperature. There is a decrease in rainfall generally from east to west in the northern plains. Yes, this is also the variation. Notice that from east to west, as the monsoon winds move from east to west, gradually the rainfall amount started decreasing. And here in one hand, if we say, so in Meghalaya or in eastern side, it is raining approximate 400 centimeter, and as it moves towards the west side, gradually the rainfall amount start it decreasing. These variations have given rise to variety in lives of people, and just because of these variation in temperature and precipitation, uh, the people adapt the different types of lifestyles. In terms of the food they eat, yes, definitely this climatic condition or atmospheric conditions affect the food of the people, their clothing pattern, as well as the shelter in which they live. So all this is affected just because of the variation noticed in the uh, noticed in the general pattern of the variation in the climatic conditions within the same country. Okay.